Losing weight can feel like a big challenge. It's a journey that many embark on, but not everyone knows where to start. The first step often begins with a simple decision to change, whether it's stepping on the scale, looking at yourself in the mirror, or lacing up those running shoes. The journey starts with a single step. But guess what? Your diet plays a huge role. It's not just about cutting calories, it's about making smarter choices. Imagine having a guide, like a nutritionist, to help you navigate through the maze of food options. Choosing between healthy and unhealthy food can be daunting, but with the right knowledge, it becomes easier. It's like the secret weapon you need to succeed. Think of it as your personal toolkit for weight loss. Holding an apple and smiling, prepping meals on the kitchen counter, and feeling that sense of accomplishment after a workout, these are all parts of the journey. When you eat healthy, you give your body the energy it needs to power through workouts and burn calories. It's not just about the food, it's about how it makes you feel. Eating a salad, drinking a smoothie, or enjoying a healthy meal can be incredibly satisfying and energizing. Think of your body like a car. Just as a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, your body needs the right nutrients to function at its best. Imagine driving smoothly on a road, getting regular checkups, and refueling at a gas station. These are all essential for a car's performance. If you put in the wrong fuel, it won't run smoothly. Your body reacts similarly. Feeding it junk food can lead to sluggishness, frustration, and even health warnings. Just like a car with a warning light on the dashboard, your body gives you signals when something is wrong. But give it the good stuff, and it'll be raring to go. When you fuel your body with nutritious foods, it responds positively. Imagine speeding on a highway, accelerating smoothly, and driving happily. That's how your body feels when it's well-nourished. That's what a healthy diet does for you. It provides the foundation for a vibrant, energetic life. Smiling while eating a balanced meal prepping healthy food, and filling your plate with vegetables and lean protein are all steps towards a healthier you. It helps your metabolism, the process of burning calories, work at its best. Your metabolism is like the engine of your car, and healthy foods are the premium fuel that keeps it running efficiently. Close-ups of fruits and vegetables, working out in the gym, and understanding the metabolism process are key elements. But it's not just about eating less, it's about eating smart. Reading nutrition labels, choosing healthy food options, and preparing balanced meals are all part of the strategy. It's about making informed choices that benefit your body in the long run. Choosing foods that are packed with nutrients and low in calories will help you feel full and satisfied while you lose weight. A diverse plate of healthy foods, eating a colorful salad, and feeling satisfied after a meal are all indicators of a well-balanced diet. This means loading up on fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods are not only nutritious, but also delicious. Imagine a kitchen counter filled with a variety of fruits and vegetables, lean meats being grilled, and whole grains like quinoa and brown rice in bowls. These are the building blocks of a healthy diet. So, are you ready to take charge of your weight loss journey? It starts with determination and a plan. Writing in a diet journal, setting fitness goals, and staying committed are all part of the process. Let's dive into the world of healthy eating and discover the power of a well-planned diet. With a variety of healthy foods on the table, the excitement of preparing a meal, and the joy of sharing it with others, you'll find that healthy eating is not just a diet, it's a lifestyle. To build a healthy diet, you need to focus on 5 key food groups. These groups are essential for providing the nutrients your body needs to thrive. By incorporating a variety of foods from each group, you can ensure a balanced and nutritious diet. Each group provides different nutrients that your body needs to function properly and stay energized. These nutrients include vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats, all of which play unique roles in maintaining your health. Fruits and veggies are your vitamin and mineral superheroes. They are packed with essential nutrients that help your body perform at its best. Packed with antioxidants, they boost your immune system and protect you from diseases. Antioxidants help fight off free radicals, which can cause damage to your cells and lead to chronic illnesses. Aim for at least 5 servings a day. This can include a variety of fruits and vegetables such as leafy greens, berries, citrus fruits, and root vegetables. Incorporating a rainbow of colors into your diet ensures you get a wide range of nutrients. Whole grains, think brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. These grains are unrefined and contain all parts of the grain, providing more nutrients than refined grains. They're full of fiber, which keeps you feeling full and aids digestion. Fiber is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system and can help prevent constipation and other digestive issues. Choose whole grains over refined grains whenever you can. Refined grains have been stripped of their nutrients during processing, so opting for whole grains ensures you get the maximum health benefits. Lean protein like chicken, fish, beans, and tofu are great sources. These proteins are lower in saturated fat and provide essential amino acids that your body needs to build and repair tissues. Protein helps build and repair tissues, keeps you feeling full, and supports a healthy metabolism. It's especially important for muscle growth and recovery, making it a key nutrient for active individuals. Dairy or dairy alternatives like milk, yogurt, and cheese provide calcium for strong bones. Calcium is essential for bone health and can help prevent osteoporosis and other bone-related conditions. Choose low-fat or fat-free options. These options provide the same amount of calcium and other nutrients as full-fat versions, but with fewer calories and less saturated fat. If you're lactose intolerant, opt for soy milk or almond milk fortified with calcium. These alternatives can provide similar nutritional benefits without causing digestive discomfort. Healthy fats, don't fear the fat. Healthy fats are essential for brain function, hormone production, and overall health. Unsaturated fats found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil are good for your heart and brain. These fats can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and lower your risk of heart disease. Just remember to consume them in moderation. While healthy fats are beneficial, they are also calorie-dense, so it's important to keep portion sizes in check to maintain a balanced diet. Here's a sneak peek into what a day of healthy eating could look like. Breakfast, start your day with a fiber and protein boost. Try a bowl of oatmeal with berries and nuts or scrambled eggs with whole wheat toast and a side of fruit. Lunch, keep it light and refreshing with a salad loaded with veggies, grilled chicken or fish, and a light vinaigrette. Or try a whole wheat wrap with hummus, veggies, and lean protein. Dinner, grilled salmon with roasted vegetables, quinoa with black beans and salsa, or lentil soup with a side salad are all delicious and nutritious options. Snacks, don't let hunger pangs derail your efforts. Keep healthy snacks on hand like fruits, vegetables with hummus, a handful of nuts, or Greek yogurt. Section 4. Smart Choices, Healthy Portions. Finding the right balance. Eating healthy isn't about depriving yourself, it's about making smart choices and practicing portion control. You can still enjoy your favorite foods, but in moderation. Instead of frying, try grilling, baking, or steaming your food. Swap sugary drinks for water, unsweetened tea, or infused water with fruits and herbs. And be mindful of portion sizes. Use smaller plates and bowls to help control your intake. Remember, it's all about balance. Aim for a variety of foods from all food groups to ensure you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. And don't forget to listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Section 5. Diet Disasters, Dodging Common Weight Loss Traps. Even with the best intentions, it's easy to fall into common diet traps. Here are a few to watch out for. 1. Skipping meals. This might seem like a good idea, but it can backfire. When you skip meals, your metabolism slows down and you're more likely to overeat later. 2. Falling for fad diets. Crash diets that promise rapid weight loss are often restrictive and unsustainable. They can also be harmful to your health. 3. Emotional eating. Stress, boredom, or sadness can trigger unhealthy cravings. Find healthier ways to cope with emotions like exercise, meditation, or talking to a friend. 4. Drinking your calories. Sugary drinks like soda and juice are loaded with empty calories. Stick to water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee. Section 6. You got this. Staying motivated on your weight loss journey. Embarking on a weight loss journey can be challenging, but it's important to stay motivated and focused on your goals. The path to a healthier you is filled with ups and downs, but every step you take brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Remember, you're not alone in this. Many people are on the same journey, facing similar challenges and triumphs. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family, or a weight loss group. Having a community can provide the encouragement and accountability you need to stay on track. Set realistic goals and celebrate small victories along the way. Each milestone, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. Don't get discouraged by setbacks, everyone has them. It's important to remember that progress is not always linear. Learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Each setback is an opportunity to learn and grow stronger. Most importantly, be patient and kind to yourself. Self-compassion is key to maintaining motivation and resilience. Weight loss is a journey, not a race. It's about making lasting changes that improve your overall health and well-being. Focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes that you can maintain over time. This includes adopting healthy eating habits, staying active, and finding balance in your daily routine. Remember, you have the power to transform your health and well-being. Your dedication and hard work will pay off in the long run. By making healthy choices and sticking to your plan, you'll achieve your weight loss goals and enjoy a happier, healthier you. Celebrate your progress, stay committed, and keep pushing forward. You got this.